Hello everyone, this is just a short video to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy and prosperous New Year 2020. As you can see, our Bobby is loving our fake Christmas tree. She loves sleeping under it, she also loves rubbing against it, which is a bit of a problem as this can knock the tree over. It's not that heavy. The little nativity scene is handcrafted with olive wood and from Bethlehem. I bought it a few years ago at the Cologne Christmas market. I want to thank everyone who has liked my videos, shared them and left comments. I also want to thank those of you who subscribe to my channel. I very much appreciate your support and I hope I will create more useful, interesting and entertaining content for you in the new year. If you have suggestions for new videos or questions, let me know in the comments. That's it for now, bye bye from Bobby and me.